So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in this video I will be giving you guys a very quick update about Usain Bolt current situation. Now the fastest man alive in the world, one of the biggest legend in track and field, is currently facing two damages. Yes, I remember last month I made a very sad news about Usain Bolt money that was being stolen. Now this particular video is not, I'm not really going to be talking about Usain Bolt stolen money, but I will include the conversation. This time around it's something very dangerous personally happened to Usain Bolt, and I will be sharing in details every single detail that you need to know about this very hurtful news about Usain Bolt. So in case this happens to be your first time as you're watching this video, what you do me is do me a favor to make sure you like this video and also subscribe before I continue. So basically, like I said earlier on, recently Usain Bolt money was being gambled with in Jamaica. Now I don't know who really in Jamaica did this to Usain Bolt, but we all know that Usain Bolt lost almost millions, billions of Jamaican dollars when he was being scammed of his money, and up till now Usain Bolt has not yet recovered his money. Well, that's not the reason why I made this video. I made this video because of a particular personal issue that Usain Bolt is going through, and like I said, I will be giving you guys in details what is really happening and the current real situation of Usain Bolt. Before I start, I want you to let me know about what you think about Usain Bolt money that was being scammed. Do you believe that Usain Bolt has a chance of regaining back his millions of dollars from how he was being scammed from it? Because to be honest, Usain Bolt did not really deserve to be scammed because of who he is. He has represented Jamaica so well, and he ended up getting scammed. Now the news of the day is Usain Bolt is currently nursing an injury, and this is what he has to say about his current injury. So Usain Bolt went on and said, ruptured Achilles, but don't know we are a warrior. So he wrote that he is actually nursing an Achilles injury currently, and let us pray for him because he need our prayers. So he posted this on his official Instagram account announcing his Achilles injury. How do you feel? Do you feel sad seeing Usain Bolt injured? Despite he is not going to run, we want to see him safe and sound, right?